Hi guys, in this tutorial we shall look into how to change the rendering of parts and components. To change, go to the View ribbon and select the render option available in Rendering dropdown. Or you could choose the keyboard shortcut from Ctrl 1 to 5 for changing the render option of parts and Shift 1 to 5 for components. Let us look one by one. If you press Ctrl+1, you get wireframe of parts. Here the parts are the column and the beam. Press Ctrl+2, you get the shaded frame. Ctrl+3, you get a grayscale. Ctrl+4, you get parts rendered. Pressing Ctrl+5, you get the selected part highlighted. Similarly, for Shift, the difference is the render changes happens to components and not parts. Here, the component is the base plate. You could press the shortcut keys or choose the icon from the drop-down in View ribbon and change the rendering option. We have seen all the options. That's it guys. See you at next session.